So let's start the unboxing for the HP Pavilion Gaming Keyboard 500. Nice. Nice protection. Glad to see that. Cool. Put this right on the side. Nice. 2 layers. Well, one, but they bended it. I see some here popped. Or maybe they popped it before putting it inside. Oops, sorry. Sorry for the mic. There's a piece of paper inside. Seems like it's the packing slip. And you get your order, basically. Okay. Yeah. HP Pavilion Gaming Keyboard 500. Let me see it. Okay. Okay, I'll look at that a bit later. It's pretty interesting. Yeah, let's look at the box before we open it. Sorry for the mice. Looks pretty interesting. Looks cool. Okay, so let's look at here closer. We see red mechanical switches. You see what I mean? On the website it's the same thing. It doesn't say Cherry MX. It just say red mechanical switches. So it could be some kind of other brand. But mechanical, it's mechanical, you know what I mean? I got it at a decent price. Anti-ghosting, control tracks and volume, somewhere here I guess, volume, and English layout. Let's look at the back. This is what we see. Oh, okay. Wait. Here I see red, pink / purple, green and white. LED backlit with 4 color options. So that's weird because on the website it says RGB. But here's 4 colors. I don't know if you could really call that RGB because it's 4 colors. But it's really nice that they included it. Because honestly, it won't clash with your system build. Because the thing is, if it's green, I feel like if I had a NVIDIA GPU with this, it will look really cool. You know, green for NVIDIA, red for AMD, white if you don't really care, and purple if you want to change a bit, you know? So that's the way I think anyways. For you it's a bit different, I guess. Yeah. White LED. And yeah, let's open it. Pretty excited. Oh wait, it's here in the middle. Okay, I got it. Okay, putting this on the side. We got, guessing the manual, limited warranty, and what is the next thing? Product notice. So yeah, we got a few pieces of paper. Check what else is in the box. Nothing else. So you get like 3 pieces of paper, books or pamphlets, whatever you want to call them. I'm not interested in them, but if you might be, you could take a look. If you do buy this, of course. I might put a link in the description if you want to buy one. I'll put one or 2, you know, whatever. This reminds me of, I don't know, I think it's like the older PS2 controllers or something. You know, they're good. It's gonna make sure it stays in place while you game. So they have this part. Let me see, can we take it off? Yep, we could take it off. I don't need this. Behind my not my motherboard. I was gonna say, my monitor. Yeah, my monitor, I have like a clip. So I'm able to do some pretty decent cable management. But for now, let's do it quick. Okay, green. Kind of curious how we're gonna switch the colors. So what you will want to do is hold FN and then just keep pressing F9. Pretty cool. Let me turn off the light to give you guys an idea, and myself. These are pretty bright, yes. With the lights off, you can see pretty much everything. With the lights on, not so much. My other keyboard that's only red, backlit, it's pretty bright, even with lights on and off. But this one is really bright only with the lights off. So let's go back to white. I want to do a bit of close-up and a bit of distance to give you guys an idea. So yeah. Okay, let's put it down. Thank you so much for staying till the end. And if you love the video, subscribe, leave a like, share it with your friends, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. There will be many videos to come about many more tech products that I enjoy, that I actually bought, and so on. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.